getting a 1-star review, I will tell you from experience, sucks major league. And if you get one at the beginning of your Amazon journey, it can put people off your product forever. Sometimes you just have to scrap your product and start again, okay? Worse still, a 1-star review, because of Amazon's review ranking system, a 1-star review or a negative review will always rank high on your product page. Amazon tries to offer a broad sense of the overall reviews that you're getting for your product. So on your Amazon listing page, you will see 5-star reviews, 4-star reviews, 3-star reviews, 2-star reviews, 1-star reviews, all on your main product page, okay? And Amazon does that on purpose because they want to offer the potential buyer everything, you know, the warts and all version of your product, the good, the bad, and the downright horrible versions of your product, okay? So you will, without a doubt, at some point get a 1-star review for your product, and it sucks, but you're going to get one. So I want to show you how to hide it. You cannot get rid of it. Don't let anybody tell you can, unless you can email them, of course, and stuff like that, and give them product and, you know, massages and sexual flavors and stuff like that. Otherwise, they ain't going to get rid of their 1-star review for you. It'll just be there forever. Given that you've tried all those things and it's still there, here's how you can at least mitigate the damage that a 1-star review causes. And it's pretty easy, actually. Now, you will find that lots and lots of the things I teach you are massively counterintuitive. They don't make a great deal of sense. Like my strategy, for instance, of if you're trying to lower your minimum order quantity, offer to pay a little bit more money per unit. That makes no sense at all, but it really, really works. And when you understand psychology, you understand why it works. So the solution here, if you've got a 1-star review, is to actively solicit a 3-star review, which I think you'll agree is kind of out there, but it is what it is, and it really does work. So here's the idea behind it. What you want to do is get somebody, and you're going to pay for this, to do a 3-star review of your product. Now, that 3-star review should be ridiculous. It should be one of those reviews where if you read it, you go, what the hell are they talking about? That's not an issue at all. I wouldn't have docked them 2 stars for that. You want that thing, that response to be elicited from your potential customer. So for here, for instance, this is for a ladder. I did not realize when I ordered the ladder was not already spaced out for use. We had to unroll it and to spread the rungs out ourselves. Now, clearly, that's like, well, what an idiot. How could you not realize that a roll-up ladder is not going to be all spaced out and put together ready for you? And what happens is you psychologically discount it and you ignore it, and it's like it never exists. So this is going to do 2 things for you. It will mean that you've given Amazon a negative review to rank and to show on your product. And because you've got somebody who's given a poor review, but the poor review makes no sense at all, they will then believe much more all of your other 5-star reviews. They will embrace them much, much more. Think of yourself too. Happens all the time. And then what you do, you see just down on the bottom left-hand side where it says helpful, not helpful, you get people to upvote, i.e. click that helpful button, upvote your review for you, your 3-star review, and it will magically usurp the 1-star review, leaving in its wake this lovely, ridiculous 3-star review that anybody that reads it will go, well, what a pillock. Of course it does that thing. All right, so that is the strategy. It works super, super well. And I'm going to show you, if you're thinking to yourself, but Neil, how am I going to get the people to upvote it? Don't worry, I've got your back. I'm going to show you that in a little wee while. All right, so I'm hoping you can all see my scene. Somebody says you can't see my scene, but hopefully you can. I think it is still on list. You guys got that okay? Everybody can see this, the solution thing, yes? Type in, no. Showing. Oh, no, you should have the solution right there. Get a 3-star review. That should be there. Yes. Okay, good. Thank you all, kind people. Hey, thanks so much for watching that video, and I hope that you got some massive value from it. Before you go, do you live in Australia? If you do, this is for you. Would you like to learn how to sell things on Amazon here in Australia? Would you like to know what sells really, really well and what sells for the maximum amount of profit? Would you like to know where you can source those products from, whether that be in China or here in Australia, and how to source them so you pay bottom dollar and get maximum value for what you're doing? If you do, please subscribe to my channel and like this video, and you'll learn that and much more. It's the exact same information that people like Jeff from New South Wales I've used to make $45,000 a month on Amazon, that Sue, who's from the sunny coast, has used to purchase herself a brand spankly BMW every single year as a result of her e-commerce business, and the lovely Kate from Bowral in New South Wales has used to make $32,000 a year on, a month, not a year, a month on Amazon, and indeed Anthony, who makes $15,000 a month on Amazon, selling, as he puts it, odds and sods. If you'd like to learn the exact same information that they use to maximize their profits for their Amazon businesses, subscribe to this video, like my channel, post below if you want me to teach you something. Okay, I'm out of here. Speak to you soon. Bye. Subscribe. Do it now.